Awesome. And Dad's still around?
Yes,
So Dad must be super proud of you.
Well,
because you're a chip off the old block, obviously.
I hope so. We are a traditional Chinese family, so we don't talk much about those things.
I see. Yeah.
But what I will say is it's super cool, right? Because I used to be the customer, right? As a shop owner's text, we're customers of my members, right? So now I go to trade shows and I used to use their product, and now I'm on the other end saying, well, how can I help you? And what can I do for this industry? And it's been cool because, my dad and we see each other at some of these shows as well. And, it's just, did he ever think his daughter would become president of AI?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. No, it's a big deal. It's a big deal.
It's been remarkable. Yeah.
So are you an only child?
I am. They got it right the
Spoiled
first time.
rotten brat. Yeah.
They got it right the first time. So why bother for a second?
I'm sure he couldn't be mad at you for very long if he was mad at all.
Oh my goodness.
That's great.
It's great.
So let's dive into it a little bit here with the biggest hot topic button for most independent shops, most dealerships out there, and that is the reality of our technician shortage.
Yeah.
And this is a North American-wide issue, not just Canada. I know we deal with a lot of shops in the U.S. Through our affiliates, and everybody is struggling on getting technicians.
Yep.
So what can you tell us about the technician shortage in Canada?
It is definitely a real issue, and it's coast to coast, right? So it's not just any particular town or city. It is something that is, I feel like the industry has been waving the flag for a long time, and it doesn't seem like there is an end in sight in the near future.